Did you know that you are 3 times more likely to wake up if you heard your mother's voice or a female voice as compared to high pitched smoke alarm? Hi, I am Prashant Uttekar, a learning enthusiast, and you are listening to the Relearning Podcast. And today I am making an attempt to connect alarm sounds and learning. Alarms have been an integral part of everyone's life. In fact, origin of alarms actually date back from Plato's era. Fun fact, from 1800s to 1960, it was a proper job for people to wake up other people. They were called as knocker-uppers. The harsh beep beep sound is most used alarm since it dates back before the digital alarms on our phones. Origin of these sounds are actually from the Industrial Revolution where workers needed to wake up really early for their morning shift. The only problem with that sound is the jolt it gives to your sleeping brain with such harsh sound. It is exactly when someone interrupts your favorite movie or a series or those unwanted ads while listening to songs. It breaks the flow, right? So these sounds break the flow of your sleep. Studies have shown that people who wake up to melodic sounds improve one's alertness while waking up. In fact, for the longest time, I have woken up to a song by a band named Agni, and I thank Mohan and Coco for making this beautiful melodic composition titled Song for K. I will definitely include the link for this composition in the description. Do check this out, it's amazing. But you know what? Now I wake up without an alarm. I do set my morning alarm, but I wake up before that. For one, I have to take my 4-year-old Labrador pet dog Muffin for his morning walk. So no matter what time I sleep, my body and mind understands to wake up at a certain time. It is also called as a natural sleep cycle. Natural sleep cycle may sound extremely difficult, but it's not impossible. You may look up few best practices to achieve this. But if you are one of those who needs a little push to wake up in the morning, do use a melodic alarm, a song that you like, a tune that doesn't disturb you, something you want to listen to and don't want to snooze. As mentioned in the previous episode on brainwave for learning and creativity, your sleeping brain is in unaware state and not ready for the world yet. So do take it easy while waking it up. Try to wake up to a sound that will put a smile on your face. So think about this. You may be out of bed, but are you really awake? If you like this episode, do share it on your social media. Wherever you can write reviews, do that. Rate the show wherever you can. Do follow the Relearning Podcast on social media platforms. Until next time, this is Prashant Uttekar, and surely it's time to wake up now. Bye.